Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna give you a little update video on what I'm doing because I'm still having trouble with the computer, and that's a whole other thing. But I'm gonna show you right now. This is what I'm doing. Doing the manifold already. I got the old one over there. This is the heat check valve. That's what I was telling you guys about. Now, when it's getting warmed up and everything like that, it opens. Actually, how does it work? Is it this way? Oh my goodness, I almost fell with this damn thing. Um, that was so funny. Let's see. How does my uncle tell me? I think that's how it works. So it's like that, and then like when it starts getting warm, it starts to open like this. And it wasn't doing that because there's no spring to it. It's just a shot. And I got everything in order because that's how I like doing that this part. And I cleaned this off. I do want to paint it, guys, but I don't have like the extra money to go like that far and like paint this and buy like the color for it. And I took out the exhaust already. I didn't film that, but here's what I did with the old one. I was gonna get me a new one, but the guy wanted 45 for a new one, but it was kind of like maybe like this and like smaller, and it was gonna look out of place because it's too shiny. There's already like those bushings under there that kind of like stick out, but I like the way it looks. I don't care. And I just didn't like the other muffler because it was just too small, and I don't have that $45 to get that. And it's just this one goes with the truck because it's bigger. Now moving to the engine bay. This is what I did. I have paper towel in there right now to keep the trash out from going into the valve stems and anything like that. But I cleaned the whole surface, guys, with a brush. I didn't have to use no scraper that much. I used the brush real good. Hopefully I can do it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday. It'll be the 18th tomorrow or the 19th, maybe Wednesday. Yeah, I have everything on this side. The throttle cable and everything. This carburetor. I have the other one inside the office, but what I was trying to say, I think I'm gonna run this one to the muffler shop so we can like put the muffler, because I'm gonna run it without muffler, and that's gonna sound weird. Damn, what the hell was that? Jeez, someone's shooting a gun or backfired. But yeah, it's gonna sound really loud. It's gonna sound like a tractor, but I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna have to drive it over there. And I think he should charge me $120. I'm gonna ask him if I can film him doing it. I might do a quick little like show of it, or maybe I'll just wait until I fix the computer, maybe upload that. But that's what's going on right now, guys. I'm gonna probably hopefully get this done for sure Wednesday. If I don't get it done this Tuesday, it'll be Wednesday for sure. And that's about it. What else? Yeah, that exhaust. I like that exhaust. It's much better. So this, I cleaned this off too. The other side too. My uncle was like, it's a little crooked, He's like, that's just casting. That's how it is. And there's another particular area that I'm kind of worried about, as you can see. Oh man, there goes that. Today the wind is very, very strong. And it's blowing everything away. Stinky cats. They're so funny. But yeah, guys, Slim Jim over there, he's so funny. He's the oldest cat of them all. Like, I'll check out that muffler. Anyways, yeah, guys, they're cracked. My uncle says that I can like probably get away with it. So like, that's what's going on. There's some steep scratches in there. that I want to try to file out. But yeah, it goes all the way. Like maybe like right up to there. And the other side too. You see? Well, actually, it's very little, but it's, you know, it's doing that. That's what's going on right now, guys, and that's Marcus is like that's fine. Like how did he say it? Like I can get away with that. Like it's not really gonna like do too much, but in the future I need to get me a new manifold and all that. That's it. I had already found this gasket, guys, thanks to O'Reilly's. They got it for me. Damn, what the hell? I can't even walk right. They got it for me. So what was his name? Tony Vegas at O'Reilly's on Lolana and Jackson. The O'Reilly's, and man, he was looking and he found it. And yeah, so actually I have the gasket, and it's a Felpro. It's actually better than the one that came with the manifold, the new one. So I'm gonna use that one and use the gasket. This one, it goes there. It goes underneath. It's the gasket for the manifold to the intake. And yeah, it has like a little. It's made out of metal too. So everything's good. That's basically it right now. Then I'm just gonna drive it over there, and it's gonna just sound weird like a tractor. And that's it. Check how I parked it, guys. And you know what? It's not leaking no oil. Oh, there's that other scraper. I was using plastic scrapers. You know, you don't want to like use metal too much. You know, if you're going to, you got to be very careful. It's better to use plastic. And a scraper brush actually worked. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.